You find yourself in a new situation. Someone smiles, says hello in English, and suddenly your mind goes completely blank. Today, we're going to fix that. Instead of passively listening to another lesson, you are going to actively build a personalized cheat sheet to introduce yourself. To do this, you need to participate. Grab a physical notebook and a pen right now. By writing down your specific answers today, you are going to take abstract vocabulary and turn it into a practical, ready-to-use tool for any basic conversation. Step 1 is building your conversational foundation. These are the undeniable basic facts of who you are and where you come from. We will start with the first 2 questions people often ask. You need to know exactly how to respond to "What is your name?" and "Where are you from?" Once those are established, the conversation usually moves to your age and your current city. This means you need answers ready for "How old are you?" and "Where do you live?" Now, you just fill in the blanks with your own data. For example, "My name is Jane. I am from Canada. I am 18 years old, and I live in New York." Hit pause on the video right now. Write out those 4 customized sentences on your paper and then read them out loud to yourself. By completing this single step, you have prepared responses for the 4 most frequent questions encountered when meeting someone for the first time. Now that your basic facts are on paper, we can move to personality. Sharing your favorites and hobbies is what actually makes a conversation interesting. People want to know what you enjoy. We need to prepare answers for what you do in your free time, your favorite foods, and your preferred media. You plug your interests directly into the structure. I like to listen to music. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite TV show is Friends. When you get asked these questions, do not make the beginner mistake of answering with a single word, like pizza. Using the full sentence structure helps you practice English grammar while you speak. Take another moment to pause. Choose your own hobbies and favorites, and write these complete sentences into your notebook below your introduction. Committing to full sentence answers builds your sentence structure memory. Later on, this helps your brain produce unscripted English more naturally. Next, we map out how you spend your time on a normal day. We start with your occupation and schedule. Be ready to fill in templates like "I am a student" and "I wake up at 7 a.m." Then, you need to handle direct questions about your abilities, like "Can you swim?"